Welcome to the Rhine Falls, the largest waterfall in Europe. If you're planning to visit this breathtaking natural wonder in Switzerland, here are 10 essential things you need to know before you go. The Rhine Falls are in Neuhausen am Rheinfall, right next to the town of Schaffhausen in northern Switzerland. It's just about 47 kilometers from Zurich, which makes it an easy day trip. You can combine a visit here with exploring the medieval old town of Schaffhausen, or even continue on to Lake Constance, just a short drive away. So, location-wise, it's one of Switzerland's most accessible attractions. The Rhine Falls are spectacular year-round, but the experience changes with the seasons. June to August, peak water flow from melting alpine snow. The falls are at their most dramatic. Spring, beautiful greenery, fewer crowds, still strong water. Winter, the flow is reduced, but the mist and icy surroundings create a fairy tale atmosphere. Evenings in summer, there are also special illuminations that light up the falls, creating a magical nighttime experience. So whether you're after raw power or peaceful beauty, plan your timing accordingly. Size does matter, and the Rhine Falls deliver. They are 150 meters wide and 23 meters high, which may not sound massive compared to some waterfalls around the world. But the sheer power of water flow is what makes them unique. In summer, up to 600,000 liters per second thunder over the rocks. Standing next to it, you feel the ground rumble beneath your feet. It's that powerful. There are two sides to the falls, and both are worth visiting. Schloss Laufenside. This is where you'll find the famous viewing platforms that almost hang directly above the water. You're so close that you can feel the spray on your face. The castle itself also has a museum and a glass elevator with great views. Neuhausen side, here you get panoramic views from further away, perfect for photos and videos. It's less crowded and has some great walking paths. If you have time, explore both sides. Each offers a completely different perspective. One of the most unforgettable things to do at Rhine Falls is a boat ride. Some boats take you right into the mist at the foot of the falls. Others go across the river, connecting the two sides. The most adventurous option takes you to the middle rock, where you climb a staircase to a platform surrounded by roaring water on all sides. It's an adrenaline rush, and definitely the highlight of many visitors' trips. Good news for budget travelers, you can actually see the falls for free from certain spots along the riverbanks. However, if you want the best views, you'll need to pay a small entrance fee at Schloss Laufen, usually around 5–10 Swiss francs depending on age. Boat trips cost extra, usually between 7–20 Swiss francs depending on the route. For families, there are combo tickets that cover the castle, museum, and boat rides. Definitely worth checking out. Getting to the Rhine Falls is super convenient. By train from Zurich Hauptbahnhof, take a direct train to either Schloss Laufen am Rheinfall or Neuhausen Rheinfall stations. Both are within walking distance of the falls, and the journey takes less than an hour. By car, it's about a 40 to 50 minute drive from Zurich, with parking lots available near both viewing sides. Trains are frequent, reliable, and scenic, so most visitors choose this hassle-free option. The Rhine Falls are very visitor-friendly. Most paths, viewing platforms, and even the castle elevator are designed to be wheelchair accessible. Families with strollers won't have trouble either. If you want to avoid steep climbs, the glass elevator at Schloss Laufen is a lifesaver, giving you a dramatic descent straight down to the viewing platforms. There's more than just the falls. Schloss Laufen Castle, a small museum about the history of the falls, plus panoramic views from its terraces. Adventure Park Rhine Falls, a rope and climbing park for families and thrill seekers. Town of Schaffhausen, famous for its painted facades, cobblestone streets, and the Mennonite fortress. You can also take a river cruise along the Rhine to explore the surrounding landscapes. To wrap it up, here are some quick insider tips. Wear comfortable shoes. There's a lot of walking and stair climbing. Bring a light rain jacket or poncho if you're doing the boat trip. You will get wet. Arrive early in the morning or later in the evening to avoid crowds. Don't forget your camera or GoPro. Between rainbows, mist, and raw power, the Rhine Falls are a photographer's dream. And lastly, check the official website before your trip for opening hours, boat schedules, and seasonal ends. And there you have it, 10 things you need to know before visiting the Rhine Falls in Switzerland. From boat rides to castle views, this is one of Europe's most spectacular natural wonders, and it's easier to visit than you might think. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment if you've ever been here, and hit subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. See you at the next destination!